Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Prestige B. This video is going to be a multicolor hair transformation. This is from my hair company, PrestigeHumanHair.com. The link is always in the description box. So you're going to need your developer, which is the 30 developer, and your BW2, and also your gloves. So I went ahead and I mixed it up into this bowl, and I also separate where I want to put the hair color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just slap it on. To be honest, I don't know, that day I was not feeling it, to be honest. I was not feeling it, so I just slap it on. I wasn't even like precise. As you see, I just put that onto my hand and then I just slap it on onto the wig. But one thing, I definitely make sure that everything is saturated. There is no black where I want to color. And when I put it on, I'm going to separate the hair and then comb it out and make sure that I get all the colors onto the wig. So next I'm going to go ahead and put this bag over the hair, and I'm going to let it sit for a couple of hours. I think I'll let it sit for like 3 hours, and then I'm going to go and wash it out off camera, but I'm going to show you how it looked before I wash it out. So I'm going to go ahead and take it off, and it was good, but I wanted to lift it one more time, but I couldn't because everything was closed down, to be honest. The whole dilemma started, but this is the color I got, so I'm gonna go off camera and wash it out. So this is how it looked after it's washed out. I'm not gonna let it air dry and put the color on. I'm just gonna separate and just start putting the colors on, and I'm just taking out the section that I already colored because I don't want anything else to be colored apart from the hair that I lifted. So these are the color. This one is called Blue Velvet, and this one is Sky Blue from Adore, and then the other color is called Purple Rain, and then the last color is called Ruby Red. I'm gonna put everything down in the description box to make sure you guys check it out. And then I'm gonna take my foil wrap and I'm just gonna separate it because I'm doing 4 different hair color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just take out 4 foil and put it to the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate where I want to put the colors, and then I'm just gonna slap the color on. To be honest, I could have put it into a bowl, but I did not. Don't follow what I do, guys. Like, I know what I'm doing because I did it so many times, so I know exactly how to color hair. So I am a pro at coloring hair, but if you're not, and if you're a beginner, don't do what I do. Put it into a bowl and just use that brush and put it onto the hair. But I'm just gonna keep on doing this, and then I'm gonna use the comb and brush it out, and then I'm gonna put the foil over it and wrap it just to make sure that the color really get into the hair. So I'm going to continue to do all 4 sections just like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit for the day. I let it sit overnight, and then off camera I went ahead and washed it out. And this is the way how it looked. I love it, but I wish the color was more brighter, but it will work. So this is the way how it looked. I'm gonna go off camera and put it on because I have so many videos of me putting on my wig. So I'm gonna go off camera and put this bad boy on. I'm gonna straighten it out, and then when I finish put it on onto my head and do my makeup, I'll be right back. So this is a finished look, guys. So nice. I love it so much. By the way, this makeup will be up on my Monday video. Make sure you guys check it out because I do upload Monday through Friday. But this is a finished look. I love it. I love the way how everything turned out, the hair, the makeup, all of that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Leave me a comment, tell me what you think about this whole entire look. Thumb this video up and make sure you already subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you Monday on my video. Bye guys.